Meaning of cybercrime. Cybercrime. Cybercrime.
Cybercrime. Cybercrime. Cybercrime refers to criminal activities carried out using computer networks or the Internet, such as hacking, phishing, identity theft, and malware attacks. These activities are intended to cause harm, steal sensitive information, extort money, or disrupt systems and services. The consequences of cybercrime can be devastating, including financial losses, reputational damage, legal penalties, and even physical harm in some cases. Cybercrime also poses significant threats to national security, as it can be used to carry out cyber espionage, sabotage, and terrorism. Therefore, combating cybercrime is essential for protecting individuals, organizations, and society as a whole.